Today, we're checking out some of the best woodworking tools you can get for under $100. These tools prove you don't need to spend big to build smart. Let's jump in. The MBS Pro 2.0 by DNG Tools is a premium furniture drilling template designed for both professionals and hobbyists. It ensures clean, precise, tear-free holes with the included Forstner bit. Compatible with board thicknesses from 15 to 29 millimeters, it features changeable drill sleeves for versatile use. Built from durable materials, it's made to last and comes with a convenient tool bag for easy storage and transport. Perfect for various furniture-making tasks. The Lumber Wizard is a powerful, precision metal detector made specifically for woodworkers, now available for $100. It quickly detects hidden nails, screws, wires, bullets, and other metal objects inside both new and recycled wood, helping prevent damage to blades and tools. With a wide 6-inch scanning area, it speeds up the detection process, and its depth detection ranges from 1/4 to 6-inch, depending on the metal type and condition. The Trex Universal Fastener Installation Tool, priced at $75.90, is designed to make deck installation faster and more efficient. Its one-step process significantly cuts installation time, while enhancing both speed and accuracy when working with Trex Hideaway hidden fasteners. The tool features a nose cone that aligns perfectly with the screw head for smooth and precise fastening. The $87.54 Fat Max Express Folding Workbench is a durable, portable solution for tough tasks. With a 450 kilogram load capacity and 85 centimeters by 61 centimeter surface, it suits various projects. Compatible with Stanley FatMax clamps, it includes dog bench holes and X-grooves for secure angled clamping. Weighing just 10 kilograms and featuring a built-in handle, it's perfect for professionals and DIYers needing reliable on-the-go performance. The 3-in-1 Doweling Jig Kit, priced at $48.99, is a precise, durable woodworking tool made from anodized aluminum alloy with laser engraved markings. It features stainless steel drill sleeves, a brass stop block, and adjustable 8mm and 15mm bushings for accurate, repeatable hole placement. Ideal for dowel joints, it allows easy height and depth adjustments, making it perfect for clean, consistent drilling in a wide range of woodworking projects. The UMF 1600, priced at $100, is a durable and versatile miter saw stand with a 200 kilogram load capacity, offering stable support for saws, sanders, and planers. Universally compatible with all Shepact miter saws and 95% of other brands, it features adjustable lateral arms 100 to 165 centimeters and a support height up to 81 centimeters. Weighing just 12.3 kilograms, it includes foldable legs for easy storage and portability, ideal for workshop or job site use. The Pin Doctor, priced at $7.99, is a simple yet effective tool designed for quick and damage-free hinge pin removal. Its solid steel striking pin aligns easily with door hinges, allowing you to remove hinge pins effortlessly. The flat installation surface also lets you reinsert pins without damaging the metal or surrounding surfaces. Whether you're removing or reinstalling hinge pins, the Pin Doctor offers a fast, clean solution without harming your doors or hardware. The Ox Pro 5-piece chisel set, available for $56.93, is built for durability, comfort, and performance in demanding woodworking tasks. Each chisel features Ox's signature rubber grip for excellent control and ergonomics, with a shock-absorbing sleeve to reduce fatigue during hammer strikes. The large surface striking backs enhance impact accuracy, while the chisels themselves are made from a single piece of high-carbon steel encased in a molded handle. The Stanley Stud Sensor, priced at $44, is a reliable tool designed for professionals and DIYers alike. It features sequential LEDs and audible beeps to clearly indicate stud locations, along with a backlit LCD screen for easy reading, even in low light. The built-in marking channel with LED makes surface marking fast and accurate. The magnetic shim sets, priced at $24.51, provide a quick and accurate way to set tool heights and depths. Ideal for adjusting saw blades, router bits, fences, or drill presses, these strong magnetic shims stack or separate easily for precise spacing. The metric set includes 6 2mm shims and 2 1mm spacers. Durable and versatile, they're also available in a cost-saving bundle for added value. The Pimp My Folding Rule Set, priced at $40.68, is a clever 4-piece kit that upgrades any standard folding ruler. It includes a folding rule and 3 innovative attachments for measuring, marking, adjusting and tracing, even in tight spots. The marking gauge adds precision with parallel lines and a centering pin for circles. Made from durable plastic, each tool fits easily, making this set ideal for both professionals and DIYers. Freehand Guard. The Woodpeckers Freehand Guard, priced at $49.99, is a smart safety and cleanup solution for working with curved or irregular pieces on your router table. Designed to replace the fence when it gets in the way, it covers the spinning router bit while offering 2 fulcrum points, similar to starter pins, for controlled, precise starts. A clear acrylic shield protects your hands without blocking visibility, helping you work safely without sacrificing accuracy. The Rockler Quick Release Pocket Hole Clamp, priced at $24.99, offers a fast, accurate solution for pocket hole joinery. It includes 2 steel alignment pins, one for standard and one for micro holes, with built-in storage for the unused pin. The Quick Release button enables instant positioning without screw adjustments, while the flat top surface allows a second clamp to keep joint faces flush, making alignment simple and efficient. The Project Set Right Angle Clamping, priced at $61.31, is designed for fast and hassle-free clamping of boards and frames at a precise 90-degree angle on all 4 corners. It's perfect for creating corner and T-connections, even when working with boards of varying thicknesses. Thanks to its one-handed operation, your other hand stays free to position or adjust the workpiece, making assembly quicker, more accurate, and much more efficient. Ideal for cabinet making, picture frames, and box construction. Rockler Router Bit Cleaning and Maintenance Kit. The Rockler Router Bit Cleaning and Maintenance Kit, priced at $34.99, is a complete solution for keeping router bits clean and sharp. It includes a cleaning reservoir with built-in storage for a folding brass brush, a bit grip with 1/4, 1/2 inch, and 8mm collars for safe handling, and a dual grit diamond hone for sharpening. The lid's stepped holders suspend bits in solution without cutter contact for thorough, safe cleaning. Ask ChatGPT. The Bench Lock, priced at $9.99, is a versatile and easy-to-use clamping base designed for quick, tool-free setup on workbenches or surfaces with 3/4 inch, 19mm, or 20mm dog holes, or custom drilled holes. It rotates 360 degrees, allowing precise clamping pressure from any angle, and features a V-groove for added grip and stability. Ideal for pocket hole joinery, it includes a pocket hole alignment accessory and built-in measurements for common board widths. The Ultra Shear 4-flute alternating shear pattern and flush trim bits, priced at $61.99, represent a breakthrough in router bit performance. Engineered for smooth, effortless cutting, these bits feature 4 flutes, double the usual, each alternating between upcut and downcut shear angles. This innovative design drastically reduces feed resistance, virtually eliminates chip out, and delivers a finish so clean it looks prepped for varnish right off the router. The AEG 18-volt brushless 1/4 inch trim router is a powerful and versatile cordless tool equipped with an efficient 18-volt brushless motor that delivers increased power, extended runtime, and better performance than brushed alternatives. The TrigJig RSA 7 Rafter Square, priced at $100, is a premium fixed rafter square designed for precision and durability. CNC machined from 4mm thick T6 aluminum, it delivers exceptional accuracy with right angle precision of plus or minus 0.008 degrees along its full length. Unique among high-end rafter squares, it features fully engraved hip valley and protractor scales that won't fade or rub off, ensuring long-lasting readability. The Great Neck Precision Bar Clamps, priced at $58.10, offer strong, reliable clamping with 300 pounds of force, ideal for resisting external pressure during woodworking, construction, or DIY projects. Featuring an 18-inch clamping capacity and 3.3-inch throat depth, they're perfect for smaller or tight workspace jobs. Instead of a trigger handle, these clamps use a twist locking mechanism for stronger one-handed clamping and a more secure hold. A dependable, versatile option for precision clamping in any setting. That's our roundup of 20 impressive woodworking tools under $100.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.